With smartphone prices continuing to climb, it really feels like the saying, buy early and enjoy it early, wait too long and you'll end up paying more, has never been more accurate. Maybe that's exactly why Redmi is bringing out the K100 Pro series now, giving more people the chance to grab a new device before the next round of price increases.
A quick shout to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
The model we have today is the upcoming Redmi K100 Pro Max. It carries forward the signature design language of the K series, so it's instantly recognizable while also introducing plenty of thoughtful refinements. The rectangular metal camera module now blends more seamlessly into the display design, and the smoother, rounded, volcano-inspired transition where the back panel meets the frame makes the phone noticeably more comfortable to hold. Even the power button gets a premium color accent finish that adds a touch of elegance. The aluminum alloy frame uses a reverse wrap structure paired with a wave-textured rear panel, creating smoother curves and transitions all around. Combined with a flat display featuring generously rounded corners, the overall in-hand feel is soft, comfortable, and refined. On the right side of the camera module, the K100 Pro Max continues to include a dedicated bass speaker as standard, creating a full 2.1-channel audio setup. Alongside the clearly visible Bose tuning logo, there's also a hidden floating lighting ring integrated into the bass unit. This lighting effect reacts to music playback while also lighting up during notifications, gaming achievements, and other interactive moments, adding a unique visual touch. When it comes to performance, the Redmi K100 Pro Max promises a major leap forward. It's powered by Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor and is paired with the AI-powered D2 dedicated graphics chip, LPDDR5X memory, and ultra-fast UFS 4.1 storage. To keep temperatures under control, Redmi has equipped the phone with a massive 6,300mm² circulating cold pump cooling system designed for efficient heat dissipation. Some people may wonder whether the 5th-generation Snapdragon 8 Elite can still keep up with today's demanding games and workloads. We had the same question, so we put it through a series of lab tests. Our first test was Genshin Impact running for 30 minutes at an 883p resolution using Natasha under a light to medium workload. The phone delivered an impressive average frame rate of 59.92 FPS, with the 1% low frame rate staying above 52 FPS. Temperatures remained well under control, never exceeding 40 degrees Celsius, while average power consumption was just over 4 watts. Next, we moved on to Honor of Kings with every graphics option pushed to the highest settings. Even during this demanding session, the K100 Pro Max maintained an outstanding average frame rate of 143.91 FPS. Once again, the device stayed below 40 degrees Celsius, and power usage averaged around 4.4 watts. For an even tougher challenge, we ran another 30-minute test with a heavier CPU workload at a 900p resolution. The phone continued to perform smoothly, delivering an average frame rate of 59.64 FPS. The maximum front temperature reached 41.3 degrees Celsius, while the back peaked at 40.5 degrees Celsius. Despite the added stress, average power consumption remained impressively low at only 4.61 watts. To wrap things up, we tested the demanding 30-minute golden moment scenario and compared the K100 Pro Max against other smartphones powered by the 5th-generation Snapdragon 8 Elite from competing sub-brands. With all devices running at similar rendering resolutions, the K100 Pro Max came out on top, achieving both the highest average frame rate and the strongest 1% low frame rate. That level of performance wasn't simply the result of raw hardware power, it was the product of careful tuning and well-executed optimization. As for heat management and efficiency, the numbers speak for themselves. When comparing maximum temperatures and average power consumption, the Redmi K100 Pro Max outperforms the other 3 smartphones powered by the 5th-generation Snapdragon 8 Elite. So, based on these results, how would you rate Redmi's performance tuning? Another standout feature is its record-breaking refresh rate support for a Redmi phone. The K100 Pro Max allows many games to run at a native 185 FPS for an incredibly smooth gaming experience. We also spent an entire hour testing CrossFire Mobile at its native 185 FPS mode, and the average frame rate stayed almost perfectly stable throughout. Combined with the phone's 4800 Hz real-time touch sampling rate and optimized touch response, the gameplay feels exceptionally fluid and highly responsive. The gaming enhancements don't stop there. Thanks to the AI-powered D2 graphics chip, many supported titles can reach up to 185 FPS while also benefiting from super resolution and frame interpolation technologies. On top of that, the phone supports a 100% hand-frame brightness ratio in many popular games, helping prevent the display from dimming during intense firefights while making visual details clearer and improving reaction speed. Audio has also received special attention. Once Bose gaming sound is enabled, the immersive effect becomes much more noticeable, making footsteps, gunfire, and other in-game audio details easier to identify. We even recorded a comparison so you can hear the difference for yourself. Beyond its impressive gaming and multimedia capabilities, the Redmi K100 Pro Max is equipped with a huge 9070 mAh battery, delivering a major improvement in endurance. During our 5-hour battery life test in the lab, the phone still had an impressive 67% charge remaining. Then we pushed it even further with a full battery drain test, where it managed to stay powered on for a remarkable 4 hours and 15 minutes. Thanks to its massive battery and well-balanced power management, the K100 Pro Max truly earns its Pro Max name when it comes to battery performance. Charging is equally capable. With 100-watt wired fast charging, the battery reached 27% in just 15 minutes and completed a full charge in around 88 minutes. Considering the enormous battery capacity, that charging speed is genuinely impressive. Overall, the Redmi K100 Pro Max continues the signature design language of the K series while carrying forward its reputation for delivering outstanding performance and top-tier hardware. Right now, it can easily handle demanding native games while also supporting ultra-smooth 185 Hz gameplay in a wide range of titles. Combined with its excellent graphics performance and comprehensive optimizations for visuals, audio, and gaming responsiveness, it stands out as one of the strongest gaming smartphones currently powered by the 5th-generation Snapdragon 8 Elite. It also performs exceptionally well in other areas, especially battery life. That said, today's preview only covers the phone's design and performance, so there are still plenty of details I can't reveal just yet. If you're planning to upgrade to a powerful new smartphone this summer and want something that offers strong value for the money, the upcoming Redmi K100 Pro Max could definitely be worth waiting for. Since it's launching before the next round of price increases, there's a good chance its pricing will remain competitive. What do you think the final price will be? That wraps up this first impressions video. If you enjoyed it or found it useful, don't forget to like, share, save, and follow the channel. This is only our first look at the Redmi K100 Pro Max. Once the phone officially launches, I'll be bringing you a complete, in-depth review with all the details. So if you don't want to miss it, make sure to subscribe and become part of our tech community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!